Oh, hey folks. Right, this is a little upcycling project that I've managed to do, and it's pretty quick, pretty easy, and it gives you something nice to look at when you're finished. You don't really need much for it, but all you'll need is a candle holder made of glass. Right? These are available in various shops. Once the candle's all done, all you need to do is get rid of the wax out. So this is what I'm using, right? Simple, right? Doesn't look very much here, right? But the other thing you'll need is a small takeaway tub, right? Usually get these with sauces for pizzas and Chinese sauces and stuff like that, Chinese food, right? So, one of them candle jar and one of these. Now, this is, unscrew it, should have preempted this before I started. Just your standard drawer, doorknob, just furniture. Could be an old set of drawers that you've chucked out. Right, this was from an old set of drawers that get chucked out, and you will need what they call a penny washer, which is one of these. It should fit the screw which goes into the back of the knob. Other things you will need are a nail for puncturing your hole to give your pilot hole for widening it for putting the screw through, a hammer, a drill and a drill bit, and it's pretty straightforward, dead easy. Literally take the lid, have a small block of wood. I've got a reasonable sized block of wood here. I would put it on the table, but I don't want to break the table. Work from the inside, it works out easier. Right. Place it in the centre of your metal tray. Little dent just to puncture it a little bit. Right, that's your pilot hole done. Then drill through. This is a 4mm drill bit I'm using. Blow out the excess. So, now there we have it. We have one drilled out piece. Right? Take your lid from your little cup, and you'll notice that on the inside of your cup you have a little dent, a little insert bit here. This is where you got to drill through. This should drill far quicker than the metal one. So take it, drill through it again. Right? Drill through the exact same bit as we drilled before. In fact, you know what I'm going to do? Make it even easier again. Put your nail on, tap tap, little puncture hole just to give you a pilot hole to go through. Put it on and drill. Little hole. Okay. Now, to make this work, all you do is you take your plastic lid and your metal lid, put them together. Place your washer on top, and then put your screw through. And put your screw through the big hole on the outside. So this is what you have at the end. Right? Take your doorknob and put it on the top. Now, once you've done all of this, you may need to get screwdriver bit to tighten up. So you don't want anything falling off. This is your final project, your final piece. Right? Doesn't look very much, right? But if you take your little tub, put it on the lid, and then put your lid and your other one together, you now have a nice pencil sharpener for a desk. Or you can have somewhere to put change. You know what I mean? It could be something to keep trinkets in the shed. You know what I mean? There's somewhere it keeps things. But you've got 2 jars in the one. Anyway, so that's a really mini upcycling project, which is relatively good because I've recycled both my Chinese tub, my glass jar, and a doorknob from an old set of drawers. Looks not bad. Obviously, you need to polish it. You need to polish the tops because that's been in the shed for a while, as you can see. It's a bit crappy. But once it's polished, it's pretty good. So there you have it. A little upcycling project for you. Dead easy to make. Until the next one, catch you after.